So over here you can see that I have two video clips right here. And if I were to go around and let's say for example, click and drag this out and change the endpoint, you leave a gap over here. I can go around and right click and of course go around and ripple delete the gap right here just like this. So this is one thing that I can do. Or what I can do is I can directly use the ripple edit tool right here just like this. If I were to go around and click on this, what happens is that if I were to change the endpoint, let's say for example, whatever gap remains in between, it gets automatically deleted right here. I can go around and pull this out right here and you can see that it automatically changes out the location right here. And that is simply it. That is what the ripple delete tool does. It does not allow the gap to be there, but it ripple deletes the gap. And that is how you can utilize the ripple tool right here to automatically ripple delete the gaps and to make sure that there's no gaps while you're editing between clips inside of HitFilm. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.